What up, guys? Welcome back. Finally, it's been over a month or so. I finally actually got another part for my car. It's been a while. If you can't tell, different garage. I actually moved out a couple months ago, so all of that's been super stressful. Haven't really had much time to work on this car. Super neglected, if you could tell. Dirty. I actually took this to Vegas a couple weeks ago, so it's filthy. Haven't been able to wash it, and I don't know, haven't really talked about what I've been doing with this car. This car has actually gone through quite a few changes within the past couple of months. I didn't really record it just because of everything going on with all the moving and all that stuff, but I'll talk about that in a bit. But for the main thing, finally, a new front lip. I know you guys probably didn't even see it, but I haven't had a lip since, or like for what, 4 months maybe? So finally, yeah, when I actually uploaded the last video of this car, I didn't even have the lip. It's just I recorded it a couple months ago for that, so yada yada, whatever. But yeah, I actually got a new front lip, so let's get this unboxed and get it on the car. Here it is. Here's my new lip. I told you guys how much I liked my other lip, the KS Kohlenstoff whatever lip, but the reason why I went with this is because it's a little more thinner and subtle. It'll match my side skirts a lot better. I really liked my last lip, but it was so aggressive that I felt like it didn't match my other arrow, so it was throwing it off to me. I'm not a huge fan of this, but this is actually the similar style, basically the OEM M3 M4CS lip. Super subtle, won't stick out way too much, and it'll still look super clean. So I'm hyped. Get this on, let's mock it up. And then I'm gonna do a time lapse of me installing it, just because you don't really need a DIY. I mean, I have some nuts and bolts I use at the end, and then I just self-tap the centers with 3M tape. The proper way is to always use a nut and bolt, but I've never had issues. I've never lost them. I'd always break them, so why spend more time when I can get it fitting properly and it still lasts? So yeah, let's see how this looks. Alright, so first, like I said, I'm a mess right now, Jesus. But not gonna do a DIY. I'm just gonna put the camera down and go ahead and do it. But like I said, I'm just gonna put some 3M tape first, then we'll get it on. Actually, before I mount this, I want it to be more secure instead of just having one hole on the edge. So I'm gonna drill out a hole at the bottom so that I could add maybe like 1, 2 or 3 more, just so it's secure. So basically what this does is it makes a bigger hole at the bottom without drilling all the way to the top, so that I can fit my socket or anything if needed in here to screw in the bolts. So just did 2 more on this side. Now I'm gonna do 2 more on this side just to make sure that the lip is extra secure. Tape's all on. You don't need much. This stuff is like the strongest 3M tape you could get. It's like something Gorilla, whatever. But now, time to get it on, finally. What I do is basically remove the 3M tape, stick it on one side, put 1 bolt through on that side, and then do 1 on the other, and then do the middle, just so that the lip is even on both sides. Of course, I gotta remove some 3M tape from the last lip. When I took that off, it like broke in half, so I literally just yanked it off. I didn't even know there was all this under here. All right, got it mocked up. Now, like I said, I do 1 side at a time, so let's get that done. There it is, the lip's finally on. I don't know, I'm still mixed feelings about this, but I love that it's super thin, and so not only does it match the side skirts on my diffuser, but I can drive super low without worrying about smacking my lip. I still drove really low with my last lip, it's just I would hit it everywhere. I feel like this, I have about that much more clearance, which helps a lot. So let's get this car on the ground, and I'll get it outside for you guys to get some B-roll. There it is, the M3 M4CS lip. Let me know what you guys think. I am mixed emotions about it, but when I was getting some footage and pictures of it, it started growing on me. It actually looks super good. I'm actually in the process of looking for another set of wheels, so once that happens, we'll be good to go. But like I was saying, I actually did go through a lot of setups with this car in the last couple of months. I actually took my bags off and put my coils on. I had some 437s on, some raised 57 CRs, Apex EC7s, and then now the OEM M2 Comp 788M wheels. And I actually just put my bags on like 2 weeks ago, so they're back on. I thought I was gonna sell the car, but ended up not, so I'm keeping it. So it's time to make it look decent again. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new lip. New footage coming soon. Let me know what you guys want to see. Hopefully though, some wheels in the next week or so. Thanks for watching.